Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to change your name on Twitter. Firstly, open your Twitter app on your device. Tap on the profile icon or person icon on your top left corner, then go to profile. Here you can see the option of edit profile. Tap on it. And here you can see the option of name. You can tap on it, then you can change your name. I just want to make my surnames, first name and last names in caps, so I'll type it. I've typed it. Now I'll save. There you go. Your name has been changed of your ex. Thank you for watching this video. You can like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such content.